Scholars. I wanted to give you some updated information. Monday is the last day of the first 6 weeks for the semester, and that's when grades are due, and you should be seeing a report card soon after that. So if you're missing any work in my class or any of your online virtual classes, be sure to get that complete and get that submitted so that your grade reflects the work that you've done. In addition to that, today is my last day as your online teacher. I will be transitioning to full in-person classes next week, and you will transition to Mr. Alexander. Mr. Alexander is absolutely fabulous. He will be our full virtual teacher here at campus. He will take on all of our virtual 7th grade and 8th grade students. And so next week, you will see my course inside of Schoology and his course inside of Schoology. All that I will have in my course, inside of my course for you, is a hyperlink that will go directly to his class. My course will disappear online for you the following week, so that you can transition fully into his course. It's been my absolute honor to be your virtual teacher, and for those of you who are transitioning back onto campus, I hope that I get the opportunity to be your in-person teacher. You guys take care, keep doing the great work that you're doing, and enjoy your weekend.